Observe this problem. There are three vertices are given. A minus 4 comma b, b minus 4 comma minus 8, c a comma minus 8. These are the three vertices of a triangle. And one more thing is given. What is it? AB is parallel to y-axis, BC is parallel to x-axis, and the midpoint of AC is 0 comma 0. Then find the area of this triangle. Is it a right angle triangle? Yes, it is, because this is the vertical line, this is the horizontal line. The lines which are parallel to the x-axis are called horizontal lines. The lines which are parallel to the y-axis are called vertical lines. The angle between horizontal line and vertical line is 90. Yes or no? See, because that's why in a rectangular coordinate system, the angle between these axes also 90 degrees. It is a vertical line, it is a horizontal line. Good. How to find the area of this triangle? Can you say how to find the area of this triangle? See, these are if it is a base, then definitely this is height. If you know this side and this side, then we will get the answer. How to get this side? By knowing these 2 points, then we are using a distance formula, root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. Using distance formula, we can find BC and AB. But here we have known A point, then only we are finding BC distance. If you have known B point, then only we can find AB distance. How to find A comma B? That is the question in front of you. You have to find the A comma B values. How to find out it? This is the midpoint. Do you know midpoint formula? Yes, midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. These two values, what are those? AB. So midpoint of this is origin now. Midpoint of AC is equal to what is the midpoint from my x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2 is equal to origin is 0 comma 0. Now two coordinates are equal. If two coordinates are equal, then their x coordinates are equal and y coordinates are equal. From that you will get A value 4 and B value 8. You got it now, A value and B value. Now you have the three vertices. With the help of that three vertices, you find the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle formula we have. From that you will get area of triangle we can find with the help of sides also. Two methods we have. Use any one of the method and do the problem. Do your own. After that, I am using distance formula. Okay. So area of this triangle delta is equal to half of base into what is the height AB. Now BC value, I have known the formula immediately. See, difference of x coordinates whole square, 4 plus 4 8, root 8 square 8. Difference of y coordinates same signs, so that's why 0. So you will get it BC value is 8 and AB value, difference of x coordinates you observe 0 and difference of y coordinates 8 minus 8. Check the answers with this solution. 16, root 16 square 16. So 2 1s are 2 4s are 6 4s are 16 4s are 64 square units. Got it or not? Otherwise, second method, you have three vertices, no? Minus 4 comma 8, minus 4 comma minus 8 and 4 comma minus 8. Using area of the triangle formula, you will get it. Okay. Distance formula shortcuts manam cheppukunnam. How to find the within the seconds the distance between 2 points. And we have discussed area of the triangle also in seconds. We can find area of the triangle in seconds. So that's why you have to do it any one of these methods. Complete preparation for objective exam, you must save the time, maintain the time with accuracy. Okay, you follow these videos, then definitely you get such kind of speed. Observe the second problem. What is given? Vertices of one hexagon and it is the circumcircle. Now you have to find the area of this shaded region. How will we get it? Suppose its shaded region is denoted by capital A. That capital A, we will get it by subtracting area of hexagon from area of circle. Means A1 minus A2. What is meant by A1? It is the area of circle. It is the area of hexagon. Is it regular hexagon? No, it is not a regular hexagon because here all sides are not equal. If the sides and angles are equal in any hexagon, that is called a regular hexagon. So that's why here you observe, to get a shaded region, you must know the area of circle and you must know the area of hexagon. Easily we can find area of hexagon because you have the 6 vertices. How to find the area of a circle? You must know it. The radius of the circle. How can we get radius of the circle? Now you observe, let O is the center of the circle, then EO is the radius. Again you have doubt. OA center and ela decide chestar sir meeru. Easily we can decide it because you observe these all distances are same. What is meant by radius? The distance from center to any point on the circle, that is called radius. We can find radius easily. OD is equal to R. That value is here. O is nothing but a origin. ఎందుకంటే O origin తీసుకుంటేనే distances ఏముంటాయి చూడండి. Using distance formula you have to find it. OD root over x2 minus x1 whole square. Difference of x coordinate whole square 4. Difference of y coordinates whole square 4. Root 4 plus 4 how much? Root 8. Radius is root 8. What is A1? A1 is pi r square. That is equal to root 8 whole square is 8. 8 pi square units. This is the area of the circle. Now you have to find the area of hexagon. Area of hexagon is denoted by A2. That A2 value we have to find out now. The area of hexagon is half of which formula is preferable? Second one. See, 2 root 2 0 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 root 2 0 minus 2 2 again closed loop 2 2. Okay, it is the preferable formula and by using it easily we can handle 1 by 2. Say now AD minus BC. Okay, determinate form 0, this is minus 4 root and again this is minus 4 root 2 and again here you will get 0. Again this is minus 4, this is minus into minus plus, again here minus. So what did we get? Minus 4 and again this is 0 and this is minus 4 root. Okay, and again this is minus 4 root 2 and this is 0 and this is minus 4 and this is minus 4. Well, all are negative symbols, we got it. Okay, that is equal to 1 by 2. How many 4s are there? 4 4s are minus 16. How many 4 roots are there? 4 minus 4 roots are there. So minus 16 root 2. Then what did you get, Nana? 1 by 2 of 2 of 8 plus 8 root. Yes or no? Because when we open the modulus, it is positive now. So 2 get cancelled. You got it 8 plus 8 root 2. That is A2 value. Now we have to calculate A value. We'll get A value by subtracting 8 plus 8 root 2 from 8 pi. So your final answer is 8 pi minus 8 plus 8 root 2. Then what we can take out common? 8 you take it common. Pi minus root 2 minus 1. So this is your final answer. These are many square units. Okay. Very nice problem.